In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use sprints in ClickUp so you can organize your workflow, improve productivity, and keep your projects on track. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams. Next, go to your settings, usually found in the lower left corner. Inside settings, click on spaces and choose the space where you want to use sprints like development or project management. Now look for ClickApps inside that space. These are extra features you can enable. Find sprint in the list or search for it, then turn it on. Make sure both sprint and sprint points are enabled. Sprint points help estimate task effort, while the sprint feature lets you organize tasks into time-based cycles. Once enabled, go back to your workspace and open a list where your tasks live. Now add a new column or field and set it as sprint. This is what allows you to assign tasks to different sprints and track progress visually. From here, you can start assigning tasks into specific sprints, whether it's a weekly or monthly cycle. As work progresses, you can move tasks between sprints and keep everything aligned with your timeline. And that's it. You're now ready to use sprints in ClickUp to manage your projects more efficiently.